Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, Radhe Shyam trailer is here. I'm really excited and I'm a little scared also because this is a 3-minute trailer. I just hope, like, this is a skepticism I always have with long cut trailers, is that I just hope they don't give out the storyline. Please, let's not do that. There is a certain intrigue which is surrounding this film because, well, like I said initially, when the motion poster dropped, I thought it was a love story. Then we had that palmistry thing coming in when Prabhas's intro trailer dropped, and I was like, okay, what the hell was that? What the hell was that? So that has gotten my interest really peaked, because with the love story you have this another element which is also a very important part of the storyline, is what I am guessing. So yes, this is releasing on 14 Jan next year, and let's just watch the trailer. Yes, let's just watch it, and I hope we don't have too many things going on in the trailer. Okay.
सुन, अगली बार माँ पूछेगी तो कह देना.
Why is the subtitle like this? Wait, I don't need the subtitle. Chinese subtitles. Okay, let's start it. Sorry guys.
सुन, अगली बार माँ पूछेगी तो कह देना, मेरी किस्मत में प्यार शादी दोनों नहीं है.
Okay.
I love you, Aditya.
Don't. I just want flirtationship.
Oh.
अपने आप को रोमियो समझते हो?
नहीं, I don't fall in love. ये प्यार व्यार मुझसे नहीं होगा.
लेकिन मैं जूलियट हूँ. मुझसे प्यार करोगे तो जरूर मरोगे.
अभी तक कितने केसेस हुए हैं?
97.
ओफो, 97 में ही आउट हो गए.
आखिर कौन है ये गुड लुकिंग बैड फेलो?
The great Vikramaditya. I call him the Einstein of palmistry.
कहते हैं इन्हें समय से आगे दिखता है.
जॉन लेनन ने तुम्हारा ऑटोग्राफ लिया?
यहाँ एक ज्योतिषी है जिसे विश्व के सारे महान नेता मिलना चाहते हैं.
शुरुआत से लेकर अंत तक क्या होगा सब पढ़ लिया मैंने.
तुमने सारी दुनिया को पढ़ लिया है. अब देखना है मुझे कितना पढ़ सकते हो.
पर हाथों की लकीरों में तारों को सजा हुआ पहली बार देख रहा हूँ.
I witnessed a miracle.
जब से तुम्हें मिलने लगी हूँ, हर मिरेकल को मानती हूँ.
You're in love, प्रेरणा.
प्यार तुम्हें ढूंढ लेगा, लेकिन उस प्यार को पाने के लिए तुम्हें उसी प्यार से लड़ना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
I love you, Aditya.
क्या प्यार किस्मत से लड़कर जीत सकता है? क्या हमारी किस्मत ने ही इतने बड़े भूकंप को जन्म दिया है? जो प्यार जिंदगी दे सकता है, क्या वही प्यार जिंदगी ले भी सकता है? I love you. I love you. I love you.
राधे श्याम 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 श्याम.
I love that I don't know anything about the story after watching the trailer also. Wow, this is actually a very well cut trailer. For 3 minutes, this is a very well cut trailer, and it, gives you even more mystery to think about कि क्या होने वाला है मूवी में. Okay, things about the trailer. So number one is the VFX and the coloring of the entire visually how the movie is looking. You see that it is very, very colorful. It's very, very colorful, and I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. I think the makers know what they're doing, and it is going to be turn into their own advantage. That's what I feel, because if you see, it looks straight out of like a fantasy world. The entire, if you see the background, everything was station wala shot, the beach shot, everything, like his own house where he does the palmistry and stuff like that. It looks absolutely vivid. You know, in phone you have that vivid filter. It looks like that it has been just, the entire cinematography has been just done in that particular filter, which is very interesting. It's going to be a very interesting watch, because I don't know how we're going to feel about the story, or are the visuals going to be too distracting, that okay, we are just seeing so many colors, so many bright colors, that we are not, you know, able to concentrate on the story. I just hope that doesn't happen. I just hope that doesn't happen. Second, the background score is amazing. The background score is really good. I'm looking forward to the entire film album over here, because I think music is something which, because this is a love story also, essentially it is a love story, so I think they're going to really, really concentrate on the music. There are going to be a lot of romantic songs and stuff like that. So that is another thing. Third, the palmistry thing integrated with the love story. So at the end, when Prabhas says that कि अगर मतलब प्यार किसी की जान भी ले सकता है, and then he's all soaked in blood and stuff. So is it going to be, I think there is a time travel thing involved here. It's not just palmistry, because maybe he's going back in time and maybe he's in a loop or something trying to save her. That's what I feel the story could be, because honestly they completely didn't give any hint to the story. The only thing we know is that Prabhas's character Vikramaditya is like the Casanova kind. He doesn't believe in love, he doesn't believe like committing to one person, and he's just, you know, he believes in flirtationship. That's what he said, huh? So he believes that okay, we're gonna just have a good time and then move on, tata bye bye, see you later, never. Yeah, basically. And then he meets Pooja Hegde, her character, and then of course something about destiny. I think we're going to get a lot of things about destiny. Even if he tries to, even if they say goodbye, their paths keep meeting. Like destiny makes them meet again and again and again, and eventually they fall in love. Like it's like they're soulmates, basically, they're soulmates. And parallelly, of course, Vikramaditya's entire rise in the field of palmistry and the world coming to know about him, that no, this guy can see ahead of the time. And I think he realizes that Pooja Hegde is gonna die probably, and he does everything. So maybe if it is not time travel, he sees the future that she's gonna die of something, some tragedy, and he is doing everything that is possible to prevent her from being in that situation, so that she doesn't die. So this reminded also to me of a film, of a very, very beautiful Hollywood film which I love, which is called If Only. It's a really nice film if you have not watched it. So it's a little similar. I wouldn't say palmistry is involved, but the main hero, he actually gets a dream. He dreams that his love of his life is going to die. So basically the entire day plays out and she dies, and then he wakes up, he realizes, oh, it was a dream. But then as the day progresses, his entire events that keep happening are exactly similar to the dream. So he starts believing that, oh, by the end of the day she's gonna die, so I have to remove her from this situation so that that event doesn't happen. So it's not exactly like this, but I don't know, when I was watching the trailer, I was getting reminded of If Only. If you have not watched that movie, please do, because that is also a little bit of a supernatural, not really supernatural, but not really a normal event that generally happens to you, like a deja vu kind of thing, and that, you know, integrated with the love story. It could be that also. It could be that also. What are your theories, guys? Because it looks very interesting to me, and we'll know, of course, once the movie releases on 14 Jan. Otherwise, a very, very well cut trailer. What I really loved about the trailer, first is the, you know, the score. Second is the way it has been edited. it gave out nothing. It gave out nothing. So you can see that they have really spent a lot on VFX and everything. So I hope, that's what I say, because the visuals, I was looking at the entire color grading and I was like, wow, this is really bright, and I hope it doesn't distract me from the storyline. And I'm pretty sure the makers know what they're doing. So yeah, that was the reaction to Radhe Shyam's official trailer. The couple looks great. Prabhas and Pooja Hegde, they both look, actually the pairing looks really, really nice. And I hope it does wonders in the box office and we really get a really good love story. Like, we haven't had a really amazing romantic film in quite some time, I feel. At least, yeah, as far as I can remember. So that was the reaction to Radhe Shyam official trailer, and do share in your thoughts about the trailer in the comments below. What do you guys think? Has it raised your expectation or has it lowered your expectation a little? Definitely share your opinion in the comments. So yes, I will end the video here and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!